In each of these, you are trying to find the surface area of the net. So if you were to fold this piece up, it would create a triangular pyramid. And to find surface area, you have to find the area of all of the faces and then add them together. So the area of one triangle is found by doing half of the base times the height, or sometimes it's referred to the length and the width. In a triangle, it's usually referred to as the height, though. Okay, so this shape is made up of 4 triangles that are identical to one another. It says they are exact copies. So if they are exact copies and this side length right here is 9, then this side length right here also has to be 9 because it is an exact copy. I've used this T right here just to indicate a triangle. So this triangle has a base that is 9 and a height that is 7 4/5. 4/5 is equivalent to 8/10. I'm just going to write this on the side. And 8/10 can be converted to a decimal, and so it should be read as 7 8/10, which is just 7.8. So all of this is going to be multiplied together. So I have half times 9 times 7.8. And that tells me that each one is going to be 35.1. So each triangle is 35.1. And this is measured in millimeters. So millimeters squared. But I need 4 triangles because there are 4 triangles in my picture, 4 exact copies. So the surface area of all of this is going to be 35.1 plus 35.1 plus 35.1 plus 35.1. So I would have all 4 surfaces. Or since they're identical, you can just multiply this by 4, which gives you a surface area of 140.4 millimeters squared. So this triangular pyramid has a surface area of 140.4 millimeters squared. In 1B, we have a shape that is made up of a square in the middle, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles that are identical. So we're going to start by finding the area of the square. To find the area of a square, you do the side length times the side length. And in this case, it's 12. If you need a calculator for this step, it's fine. If you can do it in your head, that's great. So 12 times 12 is 144. And then we need to find the area of the triangles. Again, I'm just using that T to represent the triangle. I'm going to find one triangle's area, and then I'm going to use that same area 4 different times because there are 4 of those triangles. So again, area is half of the base times the height. In this triangle, we have a base of 12. So I'm going to swap out that B with a 12. And we have a height of 14 1/4. If you want to leave it as a fraction, you can. If you want to change it to a decimal, that's acceptable as well. 14 1/4. A quarter is worth 25 cents, so we need 14.25. All right, half of 12 is 6. So we're going to do 6 times 14 1/4. Oh, a quarter. 25. And the area of that comes out to 85 1/2. So we need to find the surface area. We are going to add up all of the pieces. we have the square, which is 144, and then the first triangle, the second triangle, the third triangle, and the fourth triangle. When you add all of these together, you should get 498. Our dimensions were inches, so we need inches again. This is a surface area. Area is a two-dimensional thing, so it should be inches squared.